everybody, and welcome to Learning with Joelle. Today, we're not going to learn about a letter. We're going to make Rice Krispie treats. There are 3 ingredients you need. Rice Krispie cereal, butter, and mini marshmallows. Let's get started. You're going to need the whole bag of mini marshmallows. 6 cups of the Rice Krispie cereal. 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to use the stove, so get your mom and dad or whoever adult you have. Get a pot, put the butter in, and melt it. The same for the bag of mini marshmallows. You're going to pour the whole thing in and mix it, then wait till it's melted. So now it's all melted, the butter and the marshmallows. Now we're going to put the Krispies in. Now we're going to mix it all together and make sure it gets all sticky and together. And mix it really good. When it gets sticky, it's very hard to mix. Now we're going to put the whole mix on a piece of baking sheet. Then we're going to flatten it out and use some fun cookie cutters to make fun shapes. Now I'll teach you how to do it. First, we're going to press it down. It's kind of really hard to do it, but this is how it looks like when it's done. Doesn't look yummy? Now, let's taste one and see how they